There are a lot of people who want to do something on their own or wish to start a manufacturing unit. A manufacturing business has always been an interesting field around the world. It demands reasonable investments for once. But once it is established, it will start fetching you consistent profits. There are several manufacturing business ideas one can bet for. However, if you're someone who is looking for the best manufacturing business ideas, then here are some of the best 50 profitable manufacturing business ideas to start your own business. Number 1. Coconut oil manufacturing. Number 2. Spice powder manufacturing. Number 3. Concrete block manufacturing. Number 4. Bread production. Number 5. Bed spreads and blanket manufacturing. Number 6. Paper manufacturing. Number 7. Toys manufacturing. Number 8. Aluminum door and window manufacturing. Number 9. Ceramic glazed tiles production. Number 10. Manufacturing of furniture. Number 11. Manufacturing of energy drink. Number 12. Manufacturing of kitchen utensils and cutlery. Number 13. Eco-friendly bags manufacturing. Number 14. Cashew processing. Number 15. Crown nut oil processing unit. Number 16. Herbal hair oil manufacturing. Number 17. Handmade biscuits manufacturing. Number 18. Candle and wax products making. Number 19. Homemade chocolates manufacturing. Number 20. Fertilizer production. Number 21. Cottage butter, paneer and ghee manufacturing. Number 22. Automobile parts manufacturing. Number 23. Soda and flavored drinks production. Number 24. Furniture making. Number 25. Fruit pulp manufacturing. Number 26. Frozen fruits and vegetables production. Number 27. Jewelry making. Number 28. Disposable plates, cups and crockery manufacturing. Number 29. Hand sanitizer production. Number 30. Tempered glass manufacturing. Number 31. Ice cream manufacturing. Number 32. Jeans manufacturing. Number 33. Jute bag manufacturing. Number 34. Biofuel production. Number 35. Manufacturing of carpets. Number 36. Mineral water plant business. Number 37. Garment manufacturing unit. Number 38. Water filters manufacturing. Number 39. Textile printing business. Number 40. Leather product manufacturing. Number 41. Honey processing business. Number 42. Bakery business. Number 43. Banana wafer manufacturing. Number 44. Cotton buds manufacturing. Number 45. Microbrewery business. Number 46. Mobile phone accessories manufacturing. Number 47. Disposable plastic syringe manufacturing. Number 48. Food color manufacturing. Number 49. Ginger oil manufacturing. Number 50. Sports items manufacturing. So these are some of the best profitable manufacturing business ideas that I found useful in succeeding your goal. So if you guys found this video useful, then like, share and subscribe to our channel to get notified for further videos. And thanks for watching.